Happy St. Patrick's Day. It is hopefully St. Patrick's Day when this video is publishing in 2020. So today we're gonna be making a little alternative to your classic bright green beer. We're gonna make a cocktail that celebrates the Irish heritage.
That's right, so today we will be making an Irish flip. So definitely stay tuned for that.
I'd do a flip right now, but nobody wants that.
I do, that'd be awesome. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of whiskey, Jameson's. Keep it on theme here. We're gonna do a full ounce of liquor 43.
Is it liqueur 43?
Liqueur 43, I think you're right.
I'm not mocking you, I actually don't know how it's pronounced. I mean, maybe I'm mocking him just a little bit.
I hope so.
Just a little bit.
Then we're gonna do 1 dash of chocolate bitters. And we're gonna do about 2.5 ounces of the Guinness.
I don't think you're pouring that right.
I know. People get crazy over Guinness pours, and I fully understand it and I embrace it, but this one's out of a bottle, so I don't really care.
And you're about to shake it, so I feel like it's a little bit of a moot point.
All right, so the last thing we're gonna do here is a whole egg. We're doing yolk and all. If you're bodybuilding, like from the 30s, this is your jam right here. So we're just gonna top this off with a little bit of ice to get everything nice and cold and kind of beat that yolk up a little bit. Last thing you want is like big chunks of egg in your cocktail.
This is not sounding more appetizing.
Right? So here we go, we're gonna go ahead and give it a good shake. All right.
I think you missed a bit.
I know. Some still in there, I think. All right, so now let's just go ahead and strain this guy.
It's super creamy.
It's so frothy.
Look at that, it's like a milkshake. Beautiful. I like the glass you chose on this one.
So the last step is actually, if you want to garnish it, just a little fresh nutmeg across the top.
And this is a whole nutmeg. Is it called a nut? I don't know.
I don't know, yeah.
A nut of meg? I don't know, I made that up. And obviously just a grater. And this one, what I love about nutmeg, especially if you're using fresh, is the aroma that comes out of it. It's really got a very, very strong aroma. Oh, it smells like eggnog.
It smells like baking, yeah. But
it smells like Christmas.
You can see it's nice and thick. It's got a beautiful kind of foam on the top of it.
It kind of looks like a frappuccino or something.
Yeah, it really does. Would you like to do the honors and give this a taste?
Would I? Oh wow, that's fantastic. You can definitely tell there's an egg in there.
It's very rich. It's very eggy.
Right, and I don't mean that in a bad way. Like, I mean that in like a richness, in like an eggnoggy kind of way. You get that sort of the fullness that comes with the whole egg. It's not eggy.
Nice chocolate note in there from the bitters.
But you can still taste the Guinness too, I would say. I think there's still some of that flavor. It is really dangerous.
Super good.
I'm gonna need another sip for science.
But this is a really good example of a well thought out cocktail that features beer as one of its main ingredients. And it really adds to the whole story of this drink. So yeah, definitely give this a shot. This is a really fun, easy cocktail to make. And for guests, if you guys are having a cool get together for St. Patrick's Day, this is a great drink to have instead of green beer.
I was just gonna say, and if you wanted to, you could throw like, what, 2-3 drops?
Maybe if you wanted to.
Of green food coloring into the shaker, then you can have a green Irish flip.
There you go.
Might turn your tongue green.
And maybe the day afterwards green a little bit too. So use it sparingly, I would say.
Disclaimer, we have not tried it. We don't know what will happen.
Right, don't know, no idea.
But I could see, I mean, I imagine it would be a very nice looking green cocktail.
Muddy green, very muddy green.
Mud is my favorite color. Joking aside, this is a delicious drink. It's really very easy. I think that if you don't have liqueur 43, you could probably just make a simple syrup with a couple drops of vanilla in it, I imagine, right?
Yeah, that's
the vanilla flavor really does come through.
Yeah, it's really beautiful, kind of a round drink. Yum. I'm gonna finish this one off camera, that's for sure.
So I need to put this over here. No, this is a good one. I don't know that there's a lot you could substitute in this guy.
No, I think there are a few items that you could really play with, but I think the sum of the parts are so much better than each individual ingredient.
Yeah.
I think it would probably detract, to your point,
So if you got the
from
right
the
stuff,
overall thing. But yeah,
stick to the original recipe on this one if possible, and it's worth it.
yeah, absolutely.
So happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope that you have the ingredients to make this guy because it is delicious. It is a very, very good choice. And whatever you're making, head on over to our Facebook group. I want to see what you're mixing, whether it's green or not. You can find us on Facebook. You can search for the Craft Cocktail Club, or you can just head on over to abarabove.com/groups, and there will be a link in there as well.
Yep, and we'll have some more videos for you in the future, but definitely go check out those groups.
And make this cocktail.
Damn right.
It's super good.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.